smiles in there? Hi, Elijah. Do you have smiles in there for your mommy? For your grandparents? Huh? Can you say good morning? Good morning, Elijah. Eli, look at mommy. Hi. Hi. You got a smile in there? I think so. Good morning. Oh, is your fist tasting good? Does your fist taste good? Huh? Hey. Hi. Hey. Can you smile for me? Is there a smile in there? Is there a smile? Huh? Huh? Hey, Eli. Eli, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Yeah. Look at mommy. Hey. Hello. Hello, Elijah. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Is there a smile in there? Is there a smile in there? Huh? There's a little one. You've got a bigger one than that. I know you do. Yes, you do. Yeah. There. Good boy. Come on. One more. One more for mommy. One more. Got another one? Huh? Got another one? Can you say good morning? Can you talk? Can you talk? Hmm? Hi. Hi. Good morning, Elijah. Good morning, Elijah. Yeah, there you go. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Yeah. Say hurry up and visit Granny and Gramps. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, was that a wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.